Hi guys, I got a new Pokemon. His name is Snore Ax. I don't need you anymore, Daisy. See, I'll show you a picture of him. I sent him to Professor Oak for now. I got a picture of him. Super cool. This is what he looks like. Can you see him? Yeah. See, he's so cool. Wait, I forgot to check what his signature move is. I need to look it up now. Snore Ax signature move. I am so done. Snore Ax signature move is rest. What the heck? What is this world? Everyone in this world just freaking rests. You're useless. Snore Ax is useless. That's not Snore Ax. What the heck is that? I caught a Jacob. Gosh dang it, I thought I caught a Snore Ax. Never mind, guys. I caught a Jacob. Now I need to check what his signature move is. Okay, his signature move is... Jacob's signature move. Splash. You have got to be kidding me. This thing's signature move is Splash, and he learns it at level 1, and he learns it at level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 hours later. 99, 100. He learns it at every level. This guy is so useless. You know what? I'm taking this Daisy Ax. The heck? You're the most valuable Pokemon I freaking have. Let's get going.